In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview your Google ads to make sure they are showing, and it's an essential skill for any marketer or business owner actively using Google ads to reach their audience. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident in checking if your ads are up and running as intended. So let's dive in. First up, head over to Google Ads. You can do this by simply opening your browser and navigating to the Google Ads homepage. Once there, you're going to look for the sign in button. Click on this to access your account. You'll need your login details ready, so make sure you have those on hand. If you have multiple accounts or you're managing ads for different businesses, ensure you're signing into the right one to avoid any confusion later. After successfully logging in, you should land on the Google Ads home dashboard. This is your command center for all things Google Ads. From here, you'll be able to access all the tools you need to manage your campaigns effectively. Look for the menu option labeled Tools, which you'll find conveniently located at the top of the page. Clicking on Tools will present you with a drop-down menu that contains various options to fine-tune your ad operations. Next, we're going to focus on a specific tool for our task, and that is the troubleshooting section. This is the area where you'll identify and resolve any issues that might be arising with your ad visibility. Click on Troubleshooting, which will open up more options, one of them being the Ad Preview and Diagnosis tool. This is the key tool to ensure your ads are displayed correctly. Now, select Ad Preview and Diagnosis. This tool helps you view your ads as they appear on the search results page without accruing any extra impressions, which is useful for optimizing ad performance without affecting metrics. Here, you can enter specific keywords to see if your ads are showing for those search terms. Also, you can customize the parameters such as location, device, and language to mirror exactly how your target audience might be searching for your ads. Remember, it's crucial to preview your ads often, particularly if you've made recent changes. This way, you're ensuring everything is aligned with your advertising strategy and reaching your audience effectively. Not only does this step validate your efforts, but it also helps you make necessary adjustments before potential customers see your ads. That's it for today's tutorial on how to preview your Google ads to make sure they're showing. I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Google Ads support or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I wish you successful ad campaigns.